First and foremost, I am highly indebted to Climate Action Pakistan, especially Mim Lala Rukh, for this incredible opportunity and providing me a floor to showcase my work. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. This is my brief introduction. I am Kamaluddin, Internet Climate Action Pakistan, and working with several local and international organizations to work for environment. Next slide, please. This is the motivation, as said by Mother Teresa. I only feel angry when I see waste, when I see people throwing away things we could use. So this shows the importance of Mother Earth and planet. Next slide, please. I'm excited to share with you. The 4 activities I conducted as a part of our efforts to empower and educate our community on important environmental and social issues. These activities were designed by critical problems and engage various groups within our community, including students, kids, and farmers. So, do you know the most pressing issues faced by District Gorki? Or do you have an idea the issues that are faced by the vulnerable people of District Gorki? If not, there is no problem. I am going to explain you through the student Baithak initiatives, which will give you the idea the issues that are faced by the people of District Gorki. Our first activity, student Baithak, was focused on identifying. Go to previous slide, please. Previous slide, please. Yes. Our first activity, student Baithak, was focused on identifying the causes of problems in our community and finding solutions through the sustainable development goals. During this activity, students actively engaged in discussions and brainstorming sessions. They analyzed issues such as poverty, education, environmental degradation, religious and sect hates, and especially tribal clashes. These were the issues that were top of the issues. Next slide, please.
Oh.
Our second activity was focused on EcoCraft, was all about creativity and sustainability. Kids were engaged in creating wonderful crafts, such as aeroplanes, plastic boxes. And can you please mute him?
Ghulam Qadir, please mute your mic.
So this hands-on activity demonstrated how everyday waste can be transformed into useful and beautiful items. These kids made items such as aeroplanes, water wheels, and plastic boxes. They also learned about the harmful effect of plastic on the environment and how long it takes for plastic to decompose. This activity not only educated them about the recycling, but also encouraged them to think innovatively and about waste reduction. Our main focus was to create boxes, and later we placed that boxes into trees because we analyzed that the birds were dying due to severe heat wave. In this picture, you can see that little Ikra has made some wonderful boxes because she loves the birds, and birds are the beauties of village. Next slides, please. Yes. Our third activity was focused on Green Guardian. The Green Guardian involved kids participating in drawing, poster making, and various green activities that supports the environment. This interactive sessions aim to instill a sense of environmental responsibility in young minds. Through creative expressions, the kids learned about the importance of trees, reducing waste, and protecting our natural resources, as you can clearly see in these pics. The enthusiasm and creativity were truly inspiring, and they produced some amazing artwork and posters that highlighted the environmental conservation. Next slide, please. So this was our last activity that was focused on Kids Circle. And finally, we conducted Kids Circle, an activity focused on land restoration, drought resilience, and desertification. Kids worked on projects that addressed these critical issues and shared their ideas with local farmers. They explained the concept of land desertification, importance of trees and drought, in drought resilience and effective water management techniques. The farmers appreciated the kids' efforts and were inspired by their innovative solutions. The activity bridged the gap between generations, fostering a collaborative approach to tackling environmental challenges. Environmental challenges. Next slide, please. These were the timeline as I conducted my activities on 5th and 16th June. Next slide, please. Yes. If you have any kind of feedback, comment, or any question, you can ask from me. And at the end, I would look forward to collaborate any kind of work that is related to environment. And I look forward to working with you. Thank you for your valuable time and hearing me. Thank you so much.